How do I merge a list of dicts into a single dict? Answers here will overwrite keys that match between two of the input dicts, because a dict cannot have duplicate keys. If you want to collect multiple values from matching keys, see how to merge dicts, collecting values from matching keys.
This works for dictionaries of any length. As a comprehension,
in case of Python 3.3+, there is a chain map collection. Also see, what is the purpose of collections.chainmap?
little improvement for a Diet Buddha answer with dictionary unpacking from PEP 448. For me, it's more readable this way. Also, it is faster as well. But keep in mind, this works only with Python 3.5+ versions.
This is similar to @delnan but offers the option to modify the kv, key/value, items and I believe is more readable. For instance, replace kv elms as follows. Unpacks the kv tuple from the dictionary. Items generator after pulling the dict object out of the list.